John chapter 15 verse 12. My command is this, love each other as I have loved you. I remember one of our senior pastors preaching about loving well, and he shared us that we can love a person much but not love them very well. And totoo naman, kasi 'di ba, pwede naman talaga tayong magmahal. Kaya naman with our own strength. Pero yung pagmamahal na kagaya ng Diyos, mahirap. Kasi if we love a person in our likeness, parang it's not love at all. Kasi our love is imperfect, is impure compared to the love of the Lord that is genuine, unconditional, and it is based on His covenant. Hindi siya nagbabago kahit na tayo, paulit-ulit tayong nagbabago, or most of the times, na fail natin yung promises natin sa Panginoon. My greatest lesson about neighbor's love is we can only love people well if we know the God of love. And it is very true for me kasi 'di ba, si Jesus, He modeled the love to His disciples, to the people around Him by teaching them, by protecting them, by guiding them, by the discipline na inaalaw niyang iparanas sa mga taong nakapaligid sa Kanya. And minsan, sa buhay natin, mahirap naman talagang magmahal ng mga tao, lalo na kapag hindi natin kadugo, or hindi naman talaga natin close. Lalo na din kapag pakiramdam natin, itong mga tao na sinasabi sa atin ng Lord na mahalin natin ay quote and quote, hindi ka mahal-mahal. But every time na naiisip natin yun, let us be reminded na this is a commandment. Sinabi to ng Panginoon, hindi lang dahil sundin natin yung emotions natin, pero commandment niya to sa atin na dapat nating sundin. I remember 1 John 4:8 that says, whoever does not love does not know God because God is love. Kaya patuloy lang tayong magmahal kahit masakit or nahihirapan tayo, because at the end of the day, the love that we share is the love that comes from the Lord. Unfold your heart, unfold your stories.